Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking down the essentials so you can act fast. First, make sure you have Python or R, appropriate packages, and access to the data source. Then define one clear question and a measurable success metric. Once done, pull a representative sample and inspect the schema so you know field types and missing patterns. Make sure to version control your notebook or script immediately. This avoids chaos and lets you iterate confidently as you move to cleaning and exploration. You now tackle the central work: exploration, cleaning, and modeling. Start with quick visual and numeric summaries to find outliers, missing percentages, and strong correlations, because that directs your next moves. Then apply deterministic cleaning rules, impute or flag missing values, drop duplicates, and standardize units, so models see consistent inputs. Once done, craft features like time-based aggregates or encoded categories, and run baseline models to measure improvement, making sure to validate with a holdout set and track metrics. You finish by validating and packaging reproducible results for stakeholders. First, run cross-validation and holdout checks, then produce concise visuals and a one-page summary that links metric changes to decisions. Next, export models or transform datasets with clear README and reproducible scripts so others can rerun steps. If something breaks, isolate failing rows and test the pipeline assumptions. Revert to the last known good version and add targeted unit checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.